Well, this is Mikey here for CopperbergTV, and I'm standing here with SAP. Could you maybe introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Niklas Backendorf. I'm a solution advisor at SAP, and I specialize in BI, analytics, predictive analytics, and our in-memory platform, HANA, SAP HANA.
All right, great. So you are doing some demos here today for our guests at BeslutsstödsDagen. Could you maybe share with us what you're showing them?
Yes, absolutely. So what we did in the morning, we had this presentation on stage where we talked about the combination of trusted information, trusted data with agile. We see that's a big trend right now where customers don't only want quick access to agile information, but they also want it to be trusted. They want to know what's the data quality, can we trust these figures? So we think if we can combine that and get really fast analytics, that's going to be a game changer in our market. Yes, so what we showed today this morning was our tool for business users to be able to do agile visualization analytics in a very simple way. What we can do basically is, like it says in the picture, to first acquire data from one source, an Excel file, or combine different sources. So our semantic layer, different databases, and other sources, Hadoop even. They can take that data from different sources, combine it very easily with tools, with wizards, start to enrich the data, transform data, cleanse, remove duplicates, do cleansing if there are product errors. So then you can build your visualizations, start to analyze the data, explore it, twist and turn the data, look at different deviations, and find interesting things in the data. After that, you can combine different parts of the data into stories or dashboards and share them with your colleagues so they can actually take action. So I'll show you quickly how that can look. We'll first start with the basic analysis that I created for BeslutsstödsDagen. And this basically is an overview that shows you the sales by different product categories. Then we have a very easy way to look at different parts of the visualizations. So you can look at, for example, a text cloud that are prepared that shows you what products are selling. Or look at a bubble chart that shows us what are the clusters. If we look at discount, sold quantity and cost by products, are there any natural clusters? Is there any sort of groupings of the customers in these areas? So we might want to explore one of those, just select, filter, then we can continue the analysis based on this cluster. What we can also do is use our wizards to, for example, enrich the data. I talked about using wizards. So for example, with the date field, we can automatically generate this time hierarchy we have here. So just from a date, it automatically creates the month, the quarter, and the year. That lets us do this type of time analysis, where we start by looking at the information by year, and then we can automatically drill down to look at what is it by quarter. So when we have this time series for the quarters, we can even add some more advanced analytics. So automatically, or in a very easy way, add, is there a trend here? What's the regression line? So we just add predictive calculation. See, where's the linear regression? What's the trend? So let's add 3 periods. Then what we'll see is we have our actual figures, but from that, the tool helps us calculate what's the trend, what's the linear regression, or even help us make a forecast in a very easy way. So let's remove the regression. Then instead we add a forecast. So use our tools and add a forecast, and add, let's say, a forecast for the coming 6 months, or quarters in this case. So we have our actuals. We can also have prediction. This is what we think the forecast will be. What we also can do is have tools to enrich for geography. So we have in this case a city, but we want to display information on the map. So let's just create a geographic hierarchy. That will let us show information on the map. So just use, in this case, we have different cities in the data. We'll just map those using the tool and the built-in wizard. And it will automatically let us have geographic information on the map. So we'll just say that the map in our data set maps to the city maps to the city in the database. We need to help the tool. It automatically found 27 of the cities, but there are some that are not one-to-one matches. So Barcelona, London, Vancouver, there are multiple ones. We need to select which one. So Barcelona, Spain, London, UK, Vancouver, Canada. So with some, Canada. So with some help, the tool automatically mapped. We added some information that lets us now create a new visualization with the map. So just add a new chart. Let's say it should be this new hierarchy here with geography. We want to put it on the map. So just drag country as a geography, and then we want to see the net sales. So with just a few clicks, the tool lets us show information on the map. And then we can continue analyzing like this. And in the later stages, as you see, we have saved some visualizations down here. We can now combine those and create a story that we can share with colleagues. So we go to the Compose tab. And here I prepared a basic story by drawing in some of these visualizations, creating this dashboard or story. We can easily change it and manipulate it. So let's add the map we just created. You just pick the map, drag and drop, and now I changed my story. I can click preview, and this is what it's going to look when in the next step, I can share it with my colleagues, with the team. So they'll have a dashboard. I created it in a few minutes. I can put it on their mobile devices. I can put it on their BI portal. And they have quick and easy access, and I built this myself as a business user. So that's SAP Lumira. Go to saplumira.com, download the trial. You can try this yourself. Thanks.